Zach here with Voodoo Vending. Gonna review one of my best-selling combos at a location, one of my vending machines. C4 Hawaiian Punch, with a raspberry fig bar from Nature's Bakery. Yeah, these two must go great together because they sell a lot. Crack it open. Oh, it does smell good. So we'll go sip. That was delicious. Now together. Okay, that's incredible. That's it. I'm putting these by each other at every location. Some of these combos I've tried not on film and they're not great. This is one I highly recommend. Zach here with Voodoo Vending, my first energy drink of 2026.